Here we have the E4K Plus camera and a smartphone. It's an LG V30 Plus. And we can connect them together using a cable, USB Type-C on one end and USB Type-C at the other end. That's the USB cable of the E4K camera, USB and USB Type-C, but I used an adapter from USB to Type-C because this one also has Type-C. Okay, so let's connect that one there. Connect the USB, it's detecting even this one. Connect the USB there. Power on the camera. Let's capture a video also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And stop it so we can preview that video here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but if I connect it to the phone, I will preview it there also. So USB Type-C is connected, the phone just turned on, and let's start from the beginning. I have a file manager here, so it's file manager. Okay, and internal storage, here we have USB storage also. So the USB storage is from the camera's memory card. So if I go there, 100 media, and there's the video that I just captured, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and if I delete the file, all of them, the thumbnail file and video preview file also, if I delete all of them from the phone, now I basically deleted from the camera. So you can use the phone as a file manager for your camera, and you can preview your videos also. So let's power on the camera once again. That's the live preview. And now if I want to preview the last video, now it says no file because I already deleted using the phone. Okay, so that's how to connect your E4K Plus to your smartphone using a USB-C to USB-C cable and adapter connected to your smartphone.